God is moving mountains on your behalf, my friend. The delay was strategic because there is so much in the unseen that had to come together to allow these sudden shifts to take place. And so you're making up for lost time, and you will be surprised how fast things change for you. It can literally happen overnight. And that's what I'm picking up on, is overnight change. That is the word that's coming through. And so I want you to know that God moves slowly until he moves suddenly. So you might have been in a drought for years and decades even, and maybe you've spent your whole life struggling. Now blessings are going to rain upon you and restore life and abundance in your reality. So don't dismay. Trust that things can change. It first takes your belief that that's even possible for it to happen. Otherwise, you will remain stuck. Otherwise, you will remain a victim of your past. You cannot predict the future. That is not for us to know. So you can't begin to assume that the past is going to reiterate itself and keep repeating, as long as you're willing to believe that difference can be made, that changes can be made, that things can shift, because that is one of God's promises, that change is inevitable. The only thing that doesn't change is God. And that's what makes him so reliable and why his word is so comforting, because it means nothing lasts. That everything that you go through, all the trials, all the tribulations, all the struggles have to come to an end eventually. And it's the same for good things as well. So when the Lord giveth, the Lord taketh. So you're in this phase where there is like drought, there is desolation, there's stagnancy, and now it is finally coming to an end. The difficult period is over, and you are now entering a much more prosperous future where there are new beginnings, there's renewal, there's restoration, and there are blessings after blessings after blessings. So I want you to go ahead and I want you to put amen in the comments right now, because you know it's the truth. You know it is true. So it only affirms your belief, and that belief is what changes everything. So I want you to know that the hard part is over, okay? I believe in you so much. I'm sending you so much love. I pray for this beautiful community of people every single day, and I love and appreciate your support so much, especially on one of my latest videos where I explained an encounter of God that I had, and I was bawling my eyes out to you, and so many people reached out to me and comforted me, and also understood me and saw me for who I am. And that is such a rare occurrence. So just know that I can't answer all comments, but I love you so much. I appreciate any and all support. If you want to support this channel, there are some options linked in the description as well as the pinned comments. Otherwise, share this with others to spread the blessings. Hit that like button, follow for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.